Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome to our this series of videos in which we show you how you can develop the system to monitor your channel at YouTube and figure out which of your video is performing good, which has a more watch time, and which has more views, and which day, for example, of the week is generating more views for you. So there are plenty of things you can do if you know a bit of Microsoft Excel functionalities and the VBA automation, right? So using your VBA knowledge, your and Excel functionalities, yeah, you can save your time. You can you can automate these things, which otherwise you would be maybe spending plenty of time to come out to a particular, to come up to some decision making point, right? So Microsoft Excel helps you may take the decision and helps you get the facts and figures which you require in order to effectively monitor your YouTube channel and the performance of your videos, right? So let's start with this channel. That when you go to the analytics, and then you go to see more, and then you uh, uh, for example, you have a certain date in your mind for which you want to analyze. Okay, so you can use the custom, right? And in here you can uh, uh, put a date from and to see what happened on that particular period which is in your mind. Okay, for example, you want all the daily basis for progress, then you need to have a folder like this in your you have a VBA folder. Within the VBA you have um, a folder which you would say monthly files, right? If you say here, yeah, if you see here, if you go into the top, probably you will get the folders, yeah. And in the here you have the monthly folder, and in which all your daily downloaded data on daily basis, which is starting from 1st of January 2025 and until 6th of April 2020. Hell of work. It's plenty of work, yeah. If you say, see how many files I did. Okay, 96 items, 96 dates, data on daily basis. So it requires a certain. So we have minimized your. We have shown you in our previous video that all you need to do is just click and download it, and it will automatically update your monthly files, and you will have a new file listed, shown mm, in your folder, right, in the monthly folder. So that's how we have created all these files. So it saved a lot of time for us using the VBA. We in this video we are going to show you that since you have downloaded all the files, you have all the daily files in the monthly folders, and then you have this file. You have loaded this file. This is your Excel file, yeah. And let me take you to the Excel file. Let's. So this is our Excel file. Okay, and in which we have a startup sheet that is actually the interface for you to set up to pick all the files which are in the your monthly files folder, and one by one it is going to take all the files and put them into this sheet, right? As you can see that just by clicking this button, you see, just by clicking this button, it will start doing this loading from the 1st of January 2025 and until the 6th of April 2025. So how many rows? 11,362 rows have been, it's a data is made available for you, on which you can do lovely reporting. Like, for example, if you go to the video report and you have all the data downloaded, you will get such a message. Okay, click OK, and no need to refresh anywhere. Okay, now you start with mentioning your start and end date, right? And for example, you have entered all the start and end date. Okay, that is covering all the. It is going to take plenty of time of your video time. So I'm not going to. the use is that you just click one uh, you click on the starting date, and it will ask you what is your ending date. So ending date you have given 6th of April, so this will populate everything in there. So we focus on here, and it is populating data only on watch time. Otherwise, you have other options as well. You can have views total. The same thing is done. Okay, so it will show you all the views. If you want subscribers, if you want estimated revenue and impression and click through rate, etc. So, and it will do the appropriate formatting as well. Okay. So since you have done it now, the interesting thing to do is that we would like to, for example, see that what are the totals, what is the highest total of watch time we have. Okay. So this is the total 31. So we don't take this. Okay. We take anything other than totals, right? So what we do here, that excluding this grand total, we take this one, this is, and this one, this anything which is around 1 hour, around 1 hour. Let's take this as well as it, for around 1 hour. So, okay, anything greater than 70, we have done. So when we click it, so these are the out of 728, it has figured you out. It has filtered out the 9 those videos which are uh, popular, which are watched, whose watch time is uh, in the top list. Right? So these are so you can see that this video, yes, this was a really very good, interesting video, which tells you how to use the backend, the Excel with the backend, SQL Server. Use Excel frontend and having a backend of SQL Server. This is a nice one and very popular, and people have given a great response to it. And you can see it, it is reflected when and how much, when and how much. So when was this? This was 10th. This was 8th of January. On 8th of January, yeah, this has happened. This was the watch time. The higher the watch time is the better day for him, for in respect of in terms of watch time. So these are the this is a way that you can figure out that when and how uh, was the performance of the video for a particular period, and which are those videos which are most mostly liked and played and viewed, right? So that's why the watch time is increasing. Okay, so this is and also this and other subjects, like for example this one. This is enormous. That is 3.7092. Okay, this is a huge watch time, and this was actually a conversion of a PDF, which normally the banks provide to their customers, right? And then they can convert them into Excel, and on using this PDF data, the system automatically makes a database for the account holder, and the system generates and gives the option to do further customized reporting on the basis of your bank data. So this is a wonderful response to my this work. This was related to a particular bank that is Muslim, and that is Islamic bank, the Mizan Islamic Bank. So this is a leader of the Islamic banking system, non-interest free banking system. Yeah. So this video was very popular, and it is still doing a lot. Means when did we start it? When did we start this? So the start was on somewhere in the end of January, 29th of January. We started this video, and until the end, you can see. You see, it is still being watched by the viewers and liked, right? So you can see, and during the March, also the views, it was viewed and watched, right? Okay, so this is uh, the system is highlighting that which of your video is doing good, and it is performing, its performance is better as compared to the other ones, right? And also this selenium is also, this is also very much watched. So uh, this is also frequently watched and liked by the users, you can see. So that's why very, yeah, on every basis, or means you can figure out that uh, the activity is showing that it is very active and actively watched by the by the users. So, the Selenium is the application thing, means is the which you have to download, but that gives you or the ability to use VBA and do the web automation, right? And using this, you can use WhatsApp groups as well to download from the web automatically, right? And we have shown you plenty of innovative ideas in it. So this is so this is the test yourself Excel or aptitude, both also very much light, and we started it in somewhere in January, and then right. So sometime we get views, sometime we don't get views and watch time on that. So this is just a template to for you, okay? And so this is a tool which you can use to make the decision for your day-to-day activities and working and launching of videos and make decision, make a right decision. So this will aid your decisions that what video you should create, and being a creator, you can use this table, this tool as um, a tool, this as a utility, mm, uh, to help you monitor and enhance your performance of your videos in your YouTube channel. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.